In this video, I'm about to show you how to create multiple Instagram accounts on one account. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Instagram. Then, click on the first link to go to the Instagram website. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, click on More at the bottom left corner and then select Switch Accounts. Here you can enter your exciting email, username, phone number, and password to log in into your primary Instagram account. To create a new account, log out for your current account. Then, on the login screen, tap on Sign Up. Now, enter a mobile number or email address, then add the full name, username, and password for your new account. After filling in these details, tap on Sign Up. Next, you'll be prompted to select your date of birth. After entering this, tap on Next. Instagram will send a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Enter this code to verify your account and tap Next. Your new Instagram account is now created. You can repeat these steps to set up multiple accounts, which you can switch between easily once they're all added. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.